Hello my friends, welcome on this video. Daniel is here on tips to fix ChatGPT 4. It's out, it's online, here it is. If you go in OpenAI.com, you will see that ChatGPT is out. But let's see what is new on ChatGPT, okay? So we was waiting for ChatGPT 4, guys, and here it is, it's online. So what we have new here, I'm excited because it's saying that it's really good and really fast, okay? So let's see what is going on here. And here is a video.
GPT-4 takes what you prompt it with and
it can take in and generate up to 25,000 words of text.
25,000 words of text, guys. If normal ChatGPT is only 3,000 words of text, but this one will be 25,000 words.
Around 8 times more than ChatGPT.
Okay.
It understands images and can express logical ideas about them. For example, it can tell us that if the strings in this image were cut, the balloons would fly away.
This is the place where you just get turbocharged by these AIs. They're not perfect, they make mistakes, and so you really need to make sure that you know the work is being done to your level of expectation. But I think that it is fundamentally about amplifying what every person is able to do.
GPT-4 training finished last August, and everything that's been happening in the past few months up until we've released it has been a giant sprint to make it safer, more aligned, and also more useful.
What did she say? That this new ChatGPT 4, it's updated till last August, okay? If we go here on ChatGPT 3.5 and ask ChatGPT, the information is up to September 2021. ChatGPT 4 information, it's updated till August 2022, okay? It's great news, guys. It's great news. You can go and watch this video online. ChatGPT can solve difficult problems. Yes, we know that. Creativity is more creative and collaborative than ever before. We will try in a minute, okay? We will try to upgrade to Plus. But the bad news is that you can't use this ChatGPT 4 for free, okay? So to use ChatGPT 4, you have to pay. That's the point. That's the reason. You have to pay, but we will see. We will check it. Okay, what's new here? ChatGPT can accept images and input, generate captions, classifications, and analysis. That's great news. I mean, if we put a photo on ChatGPT, it will directly help you or understand what is in a photo and will scan the photo, will give you some information. I mean, in this case, we see some eggs here, and if you do a question there, what can we do with those ingredients? Then we can do crepes, French toast, omelette, or a lot of things. I mean, a lot of suggestion what to do with this kind of food. And we will try, if we are able to upgrade, I will try today to pay that money and get this access and see how ChatGPT 4 looks like, okay? ChatGPT 4 outperforming very fast, okay? If you see here ChatGPT in normal mode that we have here is 10th, but ChatGPT 4 is 19th, okay? And it's great. When they did the test, ChatGPT get 31 points, but ChatGPT 4 get 99th point, okay? A lot. But in uniform bar exam, ChatGPT normal get 10th points, but ChatGPT 4 get 19th. So ChatGPT, following this research path from ChatGPT, GPT-2, 3, and our deep learning approach, but they are slower, and they are saying that they spent 6 months making ChatGPT 4 safer and more aligned. ChatGPT 4 is 82 less likely to respond to requests for disallowing content and 40% more likely to produce factual responses than ChatGPT 3.5 on our internal evaluations. So I will go here now on ChatGPT. I'm here on ChatGPT. Let's try to upgrade now, guys. I have to pay, I have to upgrade, and I have to check ChatGPT 4 right now. So we are here, and I have to upgrade right now. 7, 8, 7, 3, 2, 4. So guys, here it is. Payment received. Click and continue to begin using your ChatGPT Plus. Here I am today. continue. Introducing Chat GPT-4, okay? Our latest model, Chat GPT-4, is now available to Plus subscribers. Chat GPT-4 has enhanced capabilities, reasoning, complex instructioning, more creativity, and a lot of things like that. Let's go here, try GPT-4 right now. Here we are. We are here on Chat GPT-4 Plus for today, okay? What do we have here? Default Chat GPT, Legacy Chat GPT 3.4, and Chat GPT-4. Reasoning is super fast. Speed, yeah. I'm going to find some photos, images. Yeah, I will say to Chat GPT, what do you see here? Okay. See here. In this image. Here, let's see. Oh, look at this. Based on the URL that I provided, it's a Blueberry Blue Rose from an online shop. If you have any question or need more information about the product, I will be happy to help. It's good. So it's analyzing images. Okay, I will say to ChatGPT-4, what is the latest iPhone, okay? And let's see. Wait a second. This saying that is updated in September 2021, but in the video said it's updated on August. Okay? August 2022. You don't have to lie to us. We are expending money here. Okay. So we are here on model ChatGPT-4. What's the difference between new and older ChatGPT? I am here on model 4. What is going on here, guys? As minor cut-off date in September 2021 was not ChatGPT-4 and based on OpenAI 3 model. However, if ChatGPT-4 model has been developed since then, I would be able to provide details about it compared to previous models. Okay. What is your version then? Oh, wow. I don't want this. I want ChatGPT 4 here. What version? What is going on? 100 messages every 4 hours. But I'm here. Yeah, okay, guys. So, test it by yourself and let me know. I don't know what is going on. Maybe we are very early to say, but it looks like ChatGPT is 4, but it says that it's not 4. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I will be here to do another video tutorials, but let's see in earlier updates, okay, maybe during the day. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions, just write me a comment on a comment area. God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.